This open government investigation was brought to you in part by the generous contributions made to the GoFund Honor Your Oath campaign. If you can, please click on the link provided in the description of this video and contribute. This is a quick update about the Town of Penny Farms, Florida open government investigation. My YouTube video and PennAct story resulted in Penny Farms being deluged with phone calls and emails by concerned citizens demanding accountability. As a result, I received the following email from Penny Farms Town Clerk, Anita Cooper. Mr. Gray, I have re-reviewed my records and I have inadvertently misread the dates of the pictures. I have attached the pictures taken on January 25, 2016, as per your request. Anita Cooper, Town Clerk of Penny Farms, Florida. I want to take this time to thank everyone who gets involved and makes the phone calls or sends the emails. We are making a difference. Thank you.